Not every time you go to shop, you find this kind of bread. That is because it's so special and everyone need to try this. Hello, sweetie. Welcome back. To begin, I'll be needing warm water. The scent I needing yeast, then whisk that together. All I do now is to cover that to ferment for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes as ferment, I will whisk together. What I add now is just 1 egg. After adding the egg, I will add in sugar. I'm going to be leaving the measurement in the screen. Don't forget to take note. Then add in buttermilk and stir together. After stirring that, I'm going to be adding all-purpose flour. I make use of 2 cups, and this flour have already been steamed. Add in salt to taste and mix together. If you have not shared the video before now, what are you waiting for? This is the right time to share this video. You have to follow this process and you are going to love this recipe when you follow this process and get this done. Now I don't it on the wall surface. So guys, at this point, I'm not going to add water. I'm not going to add more flour. All I do now is to mix until all the batter gets combined. I will keep on mixing. So don't add in water. Don't let your batter to be that soft. So now that I'm done for 2 minutes, I add in butter. So that is melted butter. I add a little bit of it and keep on mixing. Don't add in water at this point. Don't add in any flour. Keep on mixing. It's going to come out nice after the butter has become very mixed and nice. Look at that. So that I'm done mixing the butter, I take a little bit of butter, use it to grease this pan, then transfer the butter inside the bowl and then cover that for just 10 minutes to get rest. So just 10 minutes, I open it back like this. So this 10 minutes it has rest, so this will just make the batter to look more fluffy and get dissolved. So now I'm just going to work on it. This is how I get it covered, guys, because we are going to make a straight line bread. And this is just how I get it covered. I just cover that into 2, then use my hand to seal that center part because it's very important. Then after sealing it, I just get it roll like this. Look at that, just simple. And then transfer that inside a baking pan, then cover this for 30 to 40 minutes until it gets doubled. 40 minutes later, it has doubled its size like this. So I take my knife and see how I cut that flower sign. Everyone can see now. Look at how I get that cut like this. Then divide that again from the center. Just so simple, guys. Follow this process. At this point, you have to share so that you will not miss it. After doing that, I'm going to take egg white and grease all over the body of the batter. Then what I do now is to transfer that inside oven to get the final job. So that is oven. I just set it and then transfer the batter inside the oven. Now we have our bread. So that has done baking, and after baking, guys, oh my god, this bread is the #1 bread ever. It was so amazing. I just cut that with knife, guys. Look at this bread now. Look at this bread. You don't find this bread in the shop every time. This is just special bread for special people. And if you're one of the special people we have in this world, you got to share this video. Try this bread out. You are going to love it. It's going to be the #1 bread you have ever eaten. So guys, it's so nice. Look at that. Just look at this bread. Like, it was so soft, so nice, so fluffy. Like, it's so nice. All you have to do is to share this video, follow this process, and get yours done in my next one. Oh yeah, bye.